Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we had a little issue with the wide body car. We're just going to show you around what happened and how we're going to fix it. So as you can see, we have a spare on right now for the tire. So while I was driving the car yesterday, the tire blew out and it wasn't a fun experience. So we got the car home, we were able to put the spare on. So, and we'll show you guys the rim right now and how the tire blew out. Alrighty, so these are the wheels off the rears, and we went ahead and pulled both off already. So we're gonna go ahead and put new tires on both of the rear tires so that nothing bad happens. And as you guys can see, this is what happened to the old tire. From the camber wear, the tire just basically blew up and it's not sitting good anymore. So, and this is the tire that's still holding a little bit of air, but as you can see from the camber wear, it's almost ready to go out as well, just like the other one. So we got some Continental extreme contact tires, and these are radials just like the other ones. So we're gonna go ahead and try to throw these onto the Evo 61s and hopefully stretch them ourselves and see how it goes. Alrighty guys, so we're at the shop right now, and here we have our tire changer where we're going to be changing out our tires, and we have our Continentals and our Evo 61 wheels here. So let's just get to it. Let's take the rubber off these tires and throw it on, and hopefully we'll be able to stretch these perfectly. Alrighty, so we got the first tire off the rim, and I gotta say, these rims look amazing. I've never really owned a set of these two-piece wheels, but I'm really happy with how they look. So now we're gonna go ahead and throw our Continentals onto the wheel, and hopefully we can get them stretched. Alrighty, so we tried mounting the tire with our air cannon and it doesn't seem to be working, so we're gonna grab some good old starting fluid and a torch and hopefully spray some in there and get the tire to stretch perfectly. Hey guys, welcome back. So we took a little break and we weren't having much luck with the fire and the air cannon, so we went ahead and grabbed a 18-inch inner tube and a 20-inch inner tube. From what my brother's been telling me, he deals a lot with bikes, they run small, so we got both sizes just in case, and we did mount both the tires on both the wheels. So we're hoping to be able to get them all pumped up with those inner tubes. And we got the tires on right here, got the inner tubes right there, and we're hoping to get them on right now. So I'll just set up the tripod and I'll show you guys how we do it. Alrighty, so as you guys saw, we finally got the first tire stretched. And so what I ended up doing was, since we had 2 inner tubes, it wasn't working with one. So we went ahead and put one on one side of the tire and one on the other, pumped them up slightly, and then we pumped the tire and we were able to get the tire stretched. And this is what it looks like right now. So as you can see, the tire is perfectly stretched. Very nice. And on this side it's perfect, and the tire is pumped up and ready to be put back onto the wide body car. So we're going to go ahead and do the other one right now. Alrighty, so we got both of the tires stretched. As you guys saw, we used the 2 inner tube method again on the second tire, and we were able to blow both of these up, and now they are ready to go back onto the car. We did have a little trouble pulling that second inner tube out, and we did rip it, but that's not a big loss. It was only about $5. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these on the car, and hopefully we'll get it back up and running in no time. Alrighty guys, so we're back at the car. We already got the tires balanced, so we're just gonna go ahead and throw them on the car and hopefully get back on the road as soon as possible. And I hope you guys liked our tire stretching method. If you did, and if you're gonna use it, just drop a like, subscribe, and let me know how it goes for you in the comments. Thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video.